Hi everyone, just want to save you some money with your Nespresso Virtuo. What you need to do is basically get this on Amazon. It's called Mycap. It comes with this filter and you put this on top. Uh, so what you need to do is use your original pod and then just remove the foil on top. And I use this shot glass to actually hold it and figure out something that with this uh, coffee filter you'll be able to save tons of money, because this alone, if you get 100 pieces, is $22. What I did is I just traced the size of the filter and cut it out, so you can make thousands of this for spending only like $2. And the way this thing works, this is the cutout that I did. Just basically put it on top like that. It's hard doing it with one hand. Just press it down a little bit. Then you open this one. You put it like that. And by the way, this one I got it from Costco for $13, and that's gonna last you for a month at least, I think. Depends on how much you drink coffee. And once I'm done, what I'm doing is saving all the coffee grind and use it as a fertilizer for plants. Okay, there you go. Coffee's almost done. And yeah, you save money with this one. You just need to do a few of this, just one sitting, and you'll save tons of money. Okay, good luck.